Hey everybody, on this episode of Mr. Fix, I'm going to show you a real quick, easy way to fix certain items. Now, what happens if one of these little dolls breaks? Or if your workplace stamp goes off? Glue? Possibly. But there's a better alternative. If you focus on this one's already been fixed. This one's so thin that you can't put glue. What I've done is drill a hole right in and almost make a spine with a screw. Now, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need about a 1/8 drill bit screw like this, a pair of pliers, and a screw. Screw you can, depending on what you want to do. This one here, what we're going to do is I'm going to drill a hole right in the middle. I don't want to go through this, but I want to go through enough that I'm able to screw that in. Okay? That's good. Then, what are you going to do here? Be careful. Put in a pair of pliers. Put in, if you have a vise, even better. Does it have to be center? It'd be better if it was center. It's a little off on me, but let's see how that goes. Okay. You don't need a lot. And what we're going to do here, I'm going to get my screw driver. This one I would have been preferably a little bit better as far as, just want to make sure everything goes well. This thing's going to crack. So you already see it's going to crack. So what we're going to need to do is get a bigger drill bit. You ready to go? Okay. I don't like the way this guy worked. Now, works pretty good. So, what I'm going to do on the other end of this is I just want to do a couple of screws in here just to make sure everything is good. Kind of thread it a little bit. Nice and tight. Great. So, now next thing to do here is you pick which one you want to screw into. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to screw this one into this. Like I said, make sure that it's just right. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, I'm going to cut this right off here. Now, because I've already threaded this one in a little bit, it should go pretty good, like that. You see that? And now this one here, I want the stamp to go right, like this has to be just like that. And it's nice and tight. Look, no glue required, no nothing. And this is perfect. Now, this did not take a lot of time. I'm in my dress clothes from the office. Somebody broke this. This is a perfect fit, no glue required. It's not gonna break. With the little kids item, once you do that, if you still see something, you can hot glue it if you want, or put a piece of tape and it'll look like it's a belt or something like that. But this is a good way of fixing it. No glue required. Gonna be good forever, all right? Good luck with you with fixing your little toy or any kind of office stamp or anything else that needs attaching and you want to avoid the glue. Good luck, and thanks for watching Mr. Fix.